Hello students, I am here to bring an end to all your confusion regarding the end time preparation for physics board exam in say last 1 or 1.5 months. I have made 4 videos, 2 in Hindi, 2 in English. Part 1 and 2 are in Hindi and part 3 and 4 are in English. Both are same. I have given 2 plans, one for average and below average students and other for toppers. You can choose the video which suits you and start watching. This part is English part 3, that is for average and below average students. In this video, we will talk about those students who don't have any notes, and even if they have never used them. Generally, the average students have the problems like their derivations are not perfect, numericals are also not perfect, the concepts are also not clear, everything is half done. Apart from this, there are many students who have done nothing during the whole year. If you are facing these problems, then just relax. Don't worry. I will provide you a plan which will 100% benefit you, and if you fear to fail, then forget your fear. After watching this video, your fear is finished. So let us start now. Total we have 30 days. So in first 8 days we will understand concept. You will think, how can we understand all concepts in 8 days? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I will give you an idea which will help you clear most of your concepts in just 8 days. See, in end you cannot read the whole book and no teacher can teach you all the chapters in the end, and without concept understanding, it will take a lot of time when you will start preparing the material. So first, concept understanding. You will find very short videos of each chapter on our channel. Say all parts if you combine, hardly they are of 2 or 2.5 hours. You can leave the exercise questions for now. Listen again, you can leave the exercise questions for now. But you have to do the solved examples and theory concepts in the videos. If you watch 3 chapters in 2 days, you can complete your 12 chapters. Don't worry much. Just watch once. Whatever you understand, 40%, 50%, 60%, it will help you a lot when you will prepare your material and would save a lot of your time. And if you are not able to finish all the chapters, then also don't worry. I will provide you a list of 9 important chapters with more marks. At least you can finish those ones. So here is the list of most important 9 chapters with maximum marks weightage. Please tick them. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 7, Chapter 9, Chapter 10, Chapter 12, Chapter 14. You can change the sequence if you want. That is, first if you want, you can do Chapter 9 or Chapter 10 or Chapter 3 or anyone as you like. But you have to do these 9 chapters first. Don't waste more than 8 days. Whatever you have understood, it's okay. Now let us come on a very important point, that what material to prepare and how to prepare. That is our next step. Many people will provide you a list of important questions, but for an average student who doesn't have his own notes, it becomes very difficult to find the answers of those important questions. Neither they can do from textbook, as the answers are not precise and very lengthy, nor they can pick from any other book, as it takes a lot of time which we cannot afford to waste during the end time. So my advice is to stop searching all this randomly and directly attack on cream and exam targeted material. So you have to do last 10 years board question papers. Any good publication like Oswal, Arihant or any other good publication. Just take out one paper and start learning those questions. If you are able to understand and learn, then learn that way. And if you are not able to understand it, learn it by heart, which we call rattafication. Generally, I don't advise anyone to learn by heart, but in the end time, we have to do that also. There is no other way. So remember, Go on learning the questions, whether by understanding or by heart. And if both doesn't work, just tick that question in doubt and go ahead. Don't waste much time on a single question. Generally, most of the students do this mistake. They get stuck up in a question if they don't understand, and then just waste a lot of time, which will just shatter your timetable. And your mind and body both will be exhausted, and then you will leave everything. So please don't do this mistake. Keep on moving. If there is a doubt, leave it and move forward. So remember, 1 day, 1 paper. 10 days, 10 papers. So a very important work will be finished. Now you have 10 more days. So in first 5 days, you have to do solved examples of each chapter. Each chapter has solved numericals in it. These solved numericals are very important from exam point of view. So you start doing the solved examples. You have to do the examples of the important chapters first. The 9 chapters which I have already given in this video. You have to start with those chapters first. And after finishing them, if still the time is left, you can do the other ones or you can leave them. Now in next 1 or 2 days, if any teacher is ready to solve your doubts, then you can clear your doubts with your teacher. If a question is too much complicated, then leave it, just clear other doubts. So 1 or 2 days for doubts, not more than that. And now in the last 4-5 days, you have to give a fast revision to the 10 question papers and solved numericals which you have already done. I assure you that those students who fear that they will fail, if they will do this much, they will 100% pass. And the average students will improve their score to a great extent. So please don't do random material in the end and waste your time here and there. Instead, stick to this plan, do this cream and exam targeted material which is definitely going to benefit you in the exams. Yes, if you still have 10-15 more days, then you can do any extra book other than textbook which has important question and answers of each chapter. The book which you might be already using, any publication like Arihant Chapterwise or any other good publication. You have already done the paper sets, so you will have a good idea of which type of questions are important from the exam point of view. And while doing this book, you will get a good practice of those type of questions. But remember, if a question is too much complicated, then leave it forever. And for others, if you are not able to understand them and getting stuck up there, then put them in doubts and move forward. Then after, you can clear your doubts with your teacher in 1 or 2 days. But last 3-4 days, you have to keep to revise the question papers and solved examples. Those both things are very important from exam point of view. So please don't disturb your time which is allotted to question papers and solved examples. So make a timetable and start your studies. Even if you have not studied properly for the whole year, you need not worry, just follow this plan. You will definitely succeed. In the end also, you cannot go for any shortcuts. But yes, if you prepare your content smartly, even in last 1 month, you can do good in exam. So listen to this video properly, make a timetable and start your efforts. In the end, I would like to tell you one thing, that if your hard work is blessed by God, it gives miraculous results. So wake up early in the morning, seek Almighty's blessings and start your efforts. One more thing, if you are too much confused and getting too much stressed, just close your eyes, take deep breath and pray to God. Definitely some way will be out. It's getting lengthy but need to convey a very important message to you all. So I request you all to please listen this video till end. Remember, 12th is a very important part of your life. But 12th itself is not your life. Your life is, say, like a cricket match and you are batting on the pitch. And 12th is like only the first ball, the first opportunity of life. Even if you miss it, don't worry. Second ball will come, third ball will come, fourth, fifth, and so on. The balls are going to come. Opportunities are continuously going to come. Then you can hit a 6. To fail in an exam is not at all a failure, but to stop doing efforts is a failure. You have to keep betting on your pitch. Don't leave the pitch. So don't worry about the results, just continue your efforts. Okay bachcha, all the best for your preparations and God bless you. Still, if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment box. I will definitely guide you. Thank you.